Hi guys, hello and welcome back. Today I got a fun little extra video that's exciting, or at least I think so. But anyway, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Jennifer. On this channel we do mystery unboxing for makeup and beauty subscriptions, clothing hauls, and shop with me vlogs. If you are interested in any of those cool things that everyone does on YouTube, then please join me. I'd love to have you. By the way, if you are new here and you decide to subscribe, I love when you guys say hi to me. It totally makes my day because I enjoy doing these videos. So let's go ahead and get started. Today I have a ColourPop box. What's in my box, you ask? Or maybe you didn't, and I'm going to tell you anyway. I couldn't pass this up. I thought that it was so beautiful. So I decided to go ahead and order the dang thing. So looks like you get this cute little card. I love ColourPop. And it says, "Thanks a latte." And then this is just a cute card. I think I'm gonna save this. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm so excited. I've been redoing I'm making a spare bedroom, or like a den, into my studio. I've been sort of tracking some of my progress. I think I want to keep this for down there, but what I'm really trying to say, or squeeze out of my brain pan out into the open, is that I have a TJ Maxx shopping spree haul for all of that. I way overdid it, but I had so much fun, and it's gonna be so much fun. So stay tuned to that if you like TJ Maxx, Ross, Burlington, and Marshalls, because they're from all of those places. All right, for real, let's go ahead and see what's in the box. So I got a couple of items from the Barbie ColourPop collection. I didn't want the whole set because I won't use it all. And if you watch my channel, you know I have a lot of things. I have a lot of stuff. So I just got what I felt that I really truly needed. So this is the little mini handheld mirror. Now, I wanted one of these for, I think, Valentine's Day. They had one and they sold out so quick. But look how adorable this is. Oh my god, I love her. It's so cute. And then look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. Look at, even this little cushion case is so nice. So cute. The reflection is nice. I know, crickets, my dear. And it's really a nice quality. It has this really nice feel to it, like almost like rubbery, but like a soft rubbery feel. And I tried to buy the other one on Poshmark, and boy, they are like gouging. So I was so happy because this is only $10, as it should be. It should really be like $8, but still, I'm very excited to get this. All right, and then of course I got the palette. Look at how beautiful she is. She's gonna be beautiful. I know, I love to sing to you guys because my kids are always like, "Don't say that, stop." All right, it comes in this cute little Barbie. Ooh, it has a nice mirror. Look at these stunning colors for summer and spring. We are gonna do a swatch today, baby girl, baby boy, baby fam. I don't know. All right, I'm just excited. Let me scoot up. Hi. I know, I have a pimple. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the first row. We are going to do Cali Girl and Vintage Doll as the first two. Let's hope I have enough room. Please don't pay attention to my nails. I literally go tomorrow morning to get them done. All right, so those two colors are absolutely gorgeous. Then we're gonna do Come On and Let's Go Party. Here is those two colors. Ooh, look at that. and ColourPop is so great for the price. I believe that I got this set for $35, so the palette was $25, the mirror was $10, and that day that they launched this was free shipping. Okay, and then we got a Shine On. So let's just, ooh. Okay, so this is the first row down here. Okay, now for the next row, we're going to be doing West Coast and Best Coast. Ooh, very vibrant matte colors. Ooh, very nice. Oh, I love this. Let me do that yellow again. Oh, yeah. Definitely has a Barbie's 80s, 90s feel, which is when I was a child. And then we're going to do Follow the Sun and Malibu Memories. So Follow the Sun is a glitter pink and Malibu Memories is the blue. And let's go ahead and swatch. Ooh wee. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Okay. And the last color of this row is Zuma Beach. And that is a brown caramelish color. Look at how gorgeous. Ooh wee. Okay, so let's just take a moment to look at the second row there. Very gorgeous. All right, the last row is Make Waves and Boardwalk. These are both lovely matte colors. Put that on thy skin. Those are those. Ooh, this definitely is Barbie vibes. I'm not gonna lie, friends. It's great. Okay, next color is Surf's Up in 1971. Sorry, I don't like my hair today. It literally, it's flat and it looks like it's 5 days old, and it's not, because it's just not. Okay, Surf's Up in 1971 are both shimmers. We got a blue shimmer and sort of a goldish color, copper color. Oh my gosh, look at those. Oh, stunning. And the last color is SoCal. That one. All right, now let's just take a moment to appreciate that bottom, or that would be the top row. Okay, so there we go there. So what did you guys think about this? Like, I totally think they did an amazing job. I loved Barbie when I was small. I don't think I actually like played it's playing Barbies, but I didn't play Barbies. I love to dress them and I love to comb their hair. I never actually was like, hey, how are you? Oh, want to go shopping? Want to do? No, I was always braiding their hair. I was always dressing them, putting the little shoes on. Like, that was my thing to do. I loved playing the fashion stuff with them. And this brought back so much nostalgia, and I just loved it. I think they did a wonderful, amazing job on this. Now, the lipstick and the blush colors were beautiful as well, but like I said, I don't even need this palette, but I needed this palette, if that makes sense. So, let me know what you thought. Did you buy the whole set? Were you excited to see this? Like, this was exciting for me. So beautiful. Alright guys, thank you, and please stay tuned. I will be having that TJ Maxx shopping spree haul, and it will be with glam room decor. It's pretty fun. Or at least I think so. Alright, thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. Remember to follow me on Instagram for more ridiculous things. And we will see you later. Okay, bye!